Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and comment under this video. Today we're going to be talking about Gully. He's really ill, sick on his dying bed. You understand? So anybody out there who see this video, try to find some platform where Gully is on that he need help and see if you can donate something to him because he need help. I guess he don't got as much friend that he used to have or that he thought he had, because when Gully rise into music, it was 2 weeks. He got really famous and he only lost 8 years, people, in dancehall. A lot of controversy has been created on Gully name, so we can check it out now.
I have him over on my YouTube live over on YouTube. Come on over there to watch. Anybody's sickness can take. That's why people don't take sickness cause people. Right. Pastor bring him come here. Say Pastor here. Gully don't have a phone. And we asking Amari and all, and who you did that with again? The Chinese lady. Miss Chin. Yes. Miss Chin and all of your next girlfriend, them where you did have, if you even come up with even a $50 or a $100 anti-dana plane, all the site them will put your pink wall everywhere, all of the site them will always put him up. Una me I beg you to share this so that Gully can get help. Then bring him come at 99 for help, and him don't have a phone and him need bags. Every girl will get a walk off for him. See somebody put it up in the comment. No please. No laughing planka shop. We're serious. This is a serious thing. Him sick and him have the money in our food. You say food too?
Yeah, man.
You don't have any children, Mr. Gully? No disrespect, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we are there. Alright?
Between me and you, I'm not afraid to talk, and then what's on the people I'm doing.
So you never look after your children then?
I never look after them, and mind them. Some of them don't know them mama.
Alright. So Mr. Gully, guys, please meet me over on the YouTube channel, Dana Go. We want to help but Gully calling out all the entertainers. Him sick and then bring him come at 99. I don't know if 99 is the headquarters. Alright? So meet me over on the YouTube, and my phone I got dead while I can't stay upon it long. Alright? So if you can Amari, me know ya, let me make a public plea for you. Miss Amari.
I like Miss Dana though, because Miss Dana try to help for the artists. You get me? I say, and me respect with Zamundo do for Gully to see me. A whole heap of artists in Jamaica have a whole heap of money when you can at least support the man. If you not rate the man, support the man, because one day no viewers and subscribers, you never can tell when you're going to dip on your face, when you're going to need somebody, you know, when you're going to need a helping hand. You get me? I say, so don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a man through how a man used to act when them dip on fame. You get me? I say, him is a dancehall artist like any one of their dancehall artists. Them I know all of the dancehall artists them I see this right now. Not bad enough to know so you give a contribution. You see me? Just do a contribution just for the sake of Gully and make sure it's for him health. You see me? It's not to mind no kids or to mind no woman when do it. You get me? Yeah, I feel health. And if you're wrong for me as a viewers and subscribers, just leave it in the comment section. You get me? Because you can't judge a man for them past and you can't judge him for what he used to do. You get me? Yes, he might be disrespectful to enough people, or enough people might not like him or whatever. That now have nothing to do with it. In dying bed right now and he might look help from people. You see me? As I say, anybody right there on my channel, we have view my channel from in the United States. Yeah, please. I don't even know how to tell them to find something for Gully to see if they can donate for him. Find Miss Dana. You know, her name is Auntie Dana, and whatever she says, you were listening to it. You know, you can find her and donate something to Gully so the Gully can have it, because right now he need the help. Until the next one, viewers and subscribers, please like, share, subscribe to the video, and respect to everyone for watching my channel. I swear, I'm out until the next one.
I know because of that. And him heart make me like him, and